Ganito yan eh. There is a provision in the Constitution which is almost dead. It is not used regularly. And no president would use it for some other reason except during the time when he feels like it, birthday niya o Pasko, he grants pardons. Minsan absolute, minsan conditional. I can guarantee you, I will never allow abuses by military or the police. Pagka kayo ng Davao, you go to Davao, punta ka ng Davao, akong bahala sa inyo, magdating nyo doon. Really, datignan nyo Davao. Kung may makita ka ba ng isang papel dyan sa paglabas mo sa airport, it's clean, everybody behaves, ang mga taxi naglilinya, then it's ultra slow,